How to start a conversation with someone on Tinder. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can start a conversation with someone on Tinder. So to do that, first of all, open the Tinder app on your mobile device and then simply make sure you are logged into your Tinder account. Now once you're logged in, your homepage will look somewhat like this, where in order to start a conversation with someone, you'll have to first of all go to the chat option on the bottom side of the screen. It is the fourth option from the left. Simply tap on it, and then let me be clear, you can only start a conversation with someone whom you already match, and to match with someone, you will both have to swipe right on each other, meaning you will both have to like each other. Only when you both like each other, you will be a match, and then you will be able to start a conversation. So let me show you an example. Let's say you want to start a conversation with this person right over here. So in order to start a conversation, first of all, you'll have to like this person over here, and then you'll have to simply wait and pray that they like you back on Tinder. And once you both like each other, you will appear on the matches page, and then in order to start a conversation, simply tap on their name, and then you will be able to start a conversation from there. So that is basically how you start a conversation on Tinder. That was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.